Hi neighbors, welcome back to another video of Cooking with Neighbors. My name is Jerry Ellen and welcome to my channel. I appreciate all of you, I really do. I hope you know that. You make me smile, you give me joy. And I hope that is given to you in return, at least a good recipe if nothing else, right? So today I'm continuing with the series from cookbook. My friend Shelly gave me, hi Shelly, she gave me some cookbooks, Campbell's recipes that you can do in slow cookers, crock pots, what have you. And today is the last Sunday of that series. And my husband picked this one because we had made this recipe before and we really enjoy it. There's a small tweak to it, but it's one that I know that my family enjoyed, and I hope that maybe you or your family enjoys it if you decide to make it. So let's just get into it, okay? And before we do that, I have two things to say. The first one is thank you all for helping me pick for my next month's series. I did a poll on my post area, community post on the channel. So if you go to my channel, you'll see homepage, videos, playlists, live. I didn't do a live, but those are the tabs. And then you get to a tab that says posts. And on there, I did a poll of what to do for next Sunday series, for the month of September, what the Sunday series would be. So thank you for your input. It's greatly appreciated. And the second thing I want to say is my husband's been so excited sending me pictures and little videos and stuff like that from his job site, because on his job site, there's some filming going on for a Netflix series, and he is really enjoying seeing this particular celebrity, which I'll share a clip of at the end of this video. So anyway, let's just get into this now, and I hope that you enjoy this. Okay, this recipe is out of this cookbook from my friend Shelly. Thank you very much, Shelly. We are making 3-pepper pasta, and don't blink because it's so quick and easy. Just don't blink because you'll miss the whole recipe. It's that fast and easy. It's making me feel guilty. It's that easy. Okay, 3 bell peppers. I have a red, I have a green, and I have an orange, and you cut them into like 1-inch pieces, okay? And they're washed, as of course. It calls for 2 cans of diced tomatoes, each can 14.5 ounces. However, I'm just going to go with 1 larger can, and it's 796 milliliters, so it's a little less than what the recipe calls for, because that's about 28 ounces. Yeah, that's like 28 ounces. So I'm gonna add that. How are you all doing? I hope, as I always say, that you're doing fantastic and that you are enjoying every day of your life. I gotta wipe the front of my crock pot. Okay, so I'm gonna add that with its juices. It also says to put 6 ounces of tomato paste in with the recipe. But this is 156 milliliters, so it's like a little bit less than 6 ounces. It's like 5.8 or something like that. And I'm gonna put that in. Oh, don't drop it, Jerry Bear. Don't drop it there, girl. Gonna make a mess. I think I need a new can opener. Or I need to just get better at what I'm doing. My cans have been wiped clean when I take them home from the grocery store. I wipe them clean. So I'm gonna put that in. It also calls for 1 cup of onion. I had some red in my refrigerator. that I had left over from salads I made this week. So I chopped that up. And I made the pieces a bit smaller than the bell peppers because onion will take a little bit longer to cook, so I didn't want to make it the same time the same size because I want them to cook at the same time. So I'm going to add that cup of onion in a second. 2 tablespoons of an olive oil, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of basil. It calls for 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, but I'm using 1/2 teaspoon. 4 cloves of garlic minced. And then my onion. Come and take a look inside. This is one that my husband requested that we make. Okay, neighbors, and since it's my husband's request and he wanted the crockpot pasta sauce today, he also wants mushrooms in it because he absolutely loves mushrooms, and I am going to do that for him then. I diced up a container of mushrooms, about 220 grams or so, half a pound. Put a little oil in the pan, a little bit of salt over them, and I sauteed them. The reason why I just didn't cut them up, the reason why I just didn't dice them up and throw them in, I didn't want the mushrooms to release a lot of water into the sauce, so I sauteed them till the water has evaporated out of them, or cooked out of them, or what have you. So I'm going to add that now. I didn't turn this on yet. I was waiting until I did my mushrooms. And that'll give it sort of like a meatiness almost to the sauce. Now I'll put the cover on and get it cooking. I'll let you know how long that takes and all that fun stuff. Neighbors, now this is so good. Don't let the simplicity fool you. It's such an easy dish, but it doesn't lack in flavor. It's a wonderful supper, wonderful sauce. You can put this over penne, you can put this over elbow macaroni, you can put it over spaghetti, which I'm doing here because hubby requested spaghetti. And we love Parmesan cheese. So I am going to grate some Parmesan cheese over the top of this. You can grate pecorino romano, put some more chili flakes on it if you like. It's just really nice, this dish. Now, how long did it take me? It takes 7 to 8 hours on low, or 3 to 4 hours on high, and delicious. Now let's take a look at that celebrity. Comment down below if you know who it is. Now this is one of Graham's crew members videotaping this, and you'll see my husband. He's got the white construction hat on and the yellow work shirt on. And they're my cute hubby, and he's just so happy to see a celebrity. What show and what celebrity? I hope you guys all have a wonderful day. Blessings. Take care. Keep a good heart, everyone. Bye.